Ay, grabe siya. I listen ba yan? That's what I do now. Your program. Minaw ko eh. Oh. So, siya yung mas mahirap kasi siya may work morning and then workout pa. Family time, maliit na.
Hindi ah.
Sa iba parang hindi. Parang mas madaling maging fat.
Mas gasto ko gina kay makaon man ka.
Gana mas nakaon. So,
Mas gasto na siya dagang ka sapatos ng palit. Di ba? Pa-safe pa ka. So stay fit guys.
Mayong adlaw mga ka-wellness, I'm Mara, your host, and welcome to Vita Talks. As we gear towards the IPI Run 2025, we are bringing in inspiring conversations with people who balance health, fitness, and real life. And today we are starting strong, like power couple energy level strong, because our guests are two familiar faces whose love story didn't end when the cameras stopped rolling. Today they are parents, partners, and wellness advocates, and they continue to run through life side by side. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Paul J. Castillo and Kay Abad.
Kay Abad, wala ang Castillo. Patay tayo.
Thank you so much for being here. Please sit down, of course.
Hello.
Thank you so much for being here. Kamusta? Kamusta?
Mahog na sa go.
Meron ng armrest.
Yeah, but kamusta, both of you guys?
Okay naman. We're very good. Healthy? Yeah.
That's good to know. I think something that's really pressing right now, a pressing question for most people is, kumusta imong Bisaya, Miss Kay?
Mayo.
Ay, mayo. So, di pwede malibak.
Dili.
Perfect. Perfect.
Sad kayo mag-Tagalog nga Bisaya ba? Pero mas Bisaya siya karon.
Perfect. So, dili pwede malibak. So, let's get down to business. I'm actually really excited to hear about your experiences and your story. And of course, from lights, camera, action to morning runs and cycling routes. I think it's a huge shift. What made you both embrace that kind of lifestyle after show business?
I think siya before... ano ka naman na before, di ba?
What happened sa healthy face sa life niya.
Liik
Siyempre,
muna.
Uyab man. Diba? So, join good siya. Good. Diba? Join good siya. Uyab pa man.
Party din ako.
Connect pa. Para makakonect.
Hindi. No, but nakilala ko siya. Ano na siya, yung active na talaga siya. So, nung naging kami, katulad ng sinabi niya, syempre, ikaw, tatry mo din, di ba? Baka sabi niya, ay, tamad naman to, so baka...
May list done.
So, nag-try din ako. What I tried first was biking ba o running? Parang running, no? Oo, running. Oo. Tapos, nandyan na yung bumili na ako ng bike. Pero yung mag-stationary lang.
Okay.
Tapos, yun na.
Ipatong na siya. Trainer,
Oo.
but we call it a trainer. So, basically put on your road bike on top of a trainer and then that's where you
Doon
bike.
ka lang sa in place. Tapos yun. And apparently, I liked it.
Except the sun.
Yes. Umabot sa point kasi nga gusto na niya akong sumali sa mga races. Which I don't like.
Yeah.
Kasi, hindi naman sa I don't like, but I don't like the pressure. I don't like yung may, katulad nila, may hinahabol na time, yung ganyan. Tapos, sabi ko, hindi pwede. Kasi, kahit pa paano, I still act, I still do mga, anong tawag doon, mga endorsements. So, if magkakaroon ako ng tan line na hati dyan dahil sa mga, ang tawag doon, jersey.
Yes.
Sabi nga nila,
Pangit naman.
ayaw, may dahilan. Di ba?
Pag gusto may paraan. Sa bagay si Kim Chiu, pero ayoko. Ayoko ng pressure na may time ng race. So gusto ko yung at my own pace, yung I'm doing it because I enjoy it. Yun. Siya gusto niya yung pressure.
But until now, do you still do it? Like, are you still very active in biking? And
Mas grabe ka ron.
oh, wow.
Yeah.
No, ako, I bike yung spin, yung may music, yung
Yeah.
Mubarog me,
Yeah.
dili mo lingkod,
Yeah.
which is mas hindi niya kaya.
Wow.
Ah.
Wow.
So basically, just keeping up an active lifestyle ever since.
Yes, and then, we join mga runs, mga fun runs, and then
IPA fun run.
ITI fun run.
Lagi yung enjoy.
Sa bagay, oo. And then, I try to go to the gym every day. At least every day. And I do Pilates also.
I love Pilates. That's
Actually,
really
mas
nice.
mas active pa siya kaysa sa akin because in the morning magpilates siya, in the afternoon mag-spin
Mag-spin.
siya, or it's either the way around. Kunya, there's gym session pa. So, mas active siya nako.
Diba?
Wow, the dream life.
Iba
My
yung
goodness,
ano.
iba yung kebad na glow, of
Mm.
course.
Iba.
But specifically for IPI run though, I'm pretty sure you've joined the previous IPI runs as well. Has this been something you've been going back to? Is it because of the vibe, the community, or you just really want to keep it up?
No, we're forced to join it.
IPI.
No, syempre, nowadays, especially here sa Cebu, it's very hard to, well, for me, it's hard to join a fun run or a race because you have to wake up early in the morning. So for me, that's very too much of an effort for me just for a run because syempre I'm a triathlete. So I choose my races. Syempre IPI run has been will always be one of my races that I'll be joining every year also. So yeah, it's something that I want to do every year na gid also.
It's actually really nice.
Yeah, plus it's with family.
Yeah.
His sister, brothers, mga pamangkins, aunties,
Yeah.
uncles. So it's more of like a family run. Yeah.
Family affair.
Even the mga friends,
Friends, yes.
friends and syempre with the employees and
Yeah, our friends and
also,
IPI
yeah.
also. So
and everyone's
it's fun.
familiar faces a
Yeah.
lot. So
Yeah.
Wow. And you mentioned it is a family affair because what is a fun run without the support of the family? So I believe your two young ones are also into running. Have you influenced them in this kind of lifestyle as well?
Yes, si Joaquin is actually starting to love running. Sa bahay, if magwo-workout siya, lagi niyang sasabihin na gusto niyang mag-treadmill, 1K.
Wow.
Kaya niya mag-1K sa
Wow.
treadmill. Yes, and then nito lang nag-Titans run for the school niya. Nag-3K silang dalawa.
Wow.
Yes. What was your time?
I don't know. It was just jog and then pag napagod, syempre walk, jog.
So we
It
joined.
was a good time.
Siyempre si Inigo kasi may samad, may sugat siya dito. So stroller lang siya. But I think he would run also if kung wala siyang sugat.
You know, considering how active you both are, I'm sure it's busy balancing all these with work, with all other things happening. How do you actually keep it all balanced together? How do you give time to the family at the same time your fitness?
Siya ang mahirap kasi siya may work, family, and yung active lifestyle. Ako kasi housewife, cooking, and being a mom and workout. So, mas may time ako kasi when they leave for school, that's when I get my time to work out.
Me time.
Me time, cook, and then after, it's either sunduin ko si Inigo, then we have lunch at home or lunch out with him. And then after nap, then after nila mag-nap, they will go to IPI to play. Ako, balik akong gym.
Ginawang playground ang IPL.
Oo. So, siya yung mas mahirap kasi siya may work morning and then workout pa. Family time, maliit na lang yan.
Hindi ah. I mean, I guess it comes with age, ang maturity.
Yeah.
So, it's not that hard, man. Pero, you give up your party life. So, us, sa family na mo, we sleep, 8:30 at night. 8:30 late na ng 9. And then
Wake
me,
up at
I
6.
wake up at 5:30, sila 6 o'clock. No,
6, oy.
No,
Ikaw?
karon. But when I'm back to training in
oo.
5:30, mata na ko. Especially when I play golf, 5 o'clock, mata na ko. So, it's just adjusting lang your time.
Yeah.
So, it's not so hard for us kay, syempre, na mga bata, they want to sleep with us.
No,
8:30,
nagpo-co-sleep kami.
8:30.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's really nice. And just very curious as well, because in Cebu, as we all know, the culture of running has been rampant. We know that
Yeah.
almost every weekend there's a fun run. If
Mhm.
on TikTok, you see people already running.
Yes.
What can you say about this culture? Do you think it's just something that's a fad or pretty much for clout?
Actually, na-mention niya sa akin like few days ago na marami na daw bars or clubs na magsasara because iba na raw yung generation ngayon. Ang generation ngayon, mas healthy, mas conscious na sa health, mas ma-gym. Nakakagulat nga na sa gym ngayon, makikita mo, ang daming teenagers, ang daming... So, which is...
Weak. Mga weak kayo.
Weak.
Sakit ba kayo?
Grabe siya.
Sa una nga, pila pa edad na mo.
Yeah.
Gawas mi, mabunalan,
No, but...
auto, makasabtan.
Yeah, so I think iba na yung generation ngayon.
Different generation, yeah.
I think mas more on coffee shops na lang, and then gym, healthy lifestyle.
Social media.
Nauso na din yung mga healthy drinks, kombucha, and stuff like that. So, which is good. Yeah.
May man siya, pero...
And also here in Cebu, I would drive around, I would always see people running on the streets.
Yes.
Anytime may makikita ko, kahit ang haling tapat na sobrang init meron. Nung isang gabi lang, nagpauwi kami, that's what, 9 p.m. May tumatakbo pa at 9 p.m. So I guess that's after work. So, ang mga employees ng IPI also, I see them like after work, they would do, ang tawag doon,
Paddle.
Pickleball. Tas may mga nag-gym. So, I think,
no, it's
okay na yung
because
panahon.
the company supports it man sad. So, it's different kung na-initiative sa dang company or where you work nga, siya facility nga, magamit. Kaya,
Yeah.
Guwapa, diretso sa sila uli. No?
Yeah, but sabi ko nga dun sa mga yaya ng anak ko, ko, grabe sila, no? Isipin mo, magtatrabaho sila.
Yeah.
Trabaho, and then, mag-sports pa. Then, kapraso na lang yung sa bahay, and then, gising na again maaga. So, I guess, gusto din talaga nilang, like, outlet din siguro, like, the whole day ka na sa office. So, yeah.
Una, nga mo, tagay man ni human.
Yeah. Ako, galing ako sa ganung lifestyle. Yung trabaho, uwi sa bahay, tambay, higa, kain, tapos trabaho ulit.
Yeah.
Matug siya, what? 4, 5 a.m.? Before? Oh.
And gigising ako mga 3 p.m.
Oh.
Wow.
Ako, kaya matug mag 9, 10. Paong mangging suga agad.
Wala akong choice.
Nga.
But it's nice to hear though that specifically for IPI, it's not just fostering, family affairs. It's about the company giving an outlet for all the employees to actually practice what they preach.
Yes.
But speaking of the IPI run coming up, do you have any pre-training things that you do? Any rituals or routines to prepare for a fun run like this?
Siya. Actually, ako kasi 5K lang may tatakbo ko eh. So, I do 3K almost every day sa gym.
Wow.
Yes. So, siya kung magta-21 siya, sanay naman na siya full Ironman nga siya, kinaya niya eh. So,
anyone can do it with the right practice, with the right training, sorry. Yeah, anyone can do it. I'm pretty sure it's harder to be fat than to be fit, di ba? Because
sa iba parang hindi. Parang mas madaling maging fat.
Mas gasto pa. Kaya makaon man ka.
Yeah.
Ganaman sila kaon. So,
mas gasto na siya. Dagang ka, sapatos ng paliton. Di ba? Save pa ka. So, stay fit, guys. So, but ang pre-game ko na ng race, you call it a marathon, half marathon, standard distance, or whatever na imong gi-join. It's the hard part is the training. The easy part is the race.
Yeah.
So because in my case sa triathlon, there's actually 5, 6 disciplines in that. That's sa triathlon, that's swim, bike, run, but there's always the recovery and the nutrition. Yeah. 5.
athlete yan. Nakalimutan niya.
So, triathlon. Siya, swim, bike, run, recovery, and nutrition. So, that's the basic na important things. So, going towards near sa race, syempre, you have to rest, you have to prepare. niglumba ang sakit imong tiyan,
Yeah.
patay ka, diba? So
Oh, yeah, actually,
all
that's true.
those training down the drains, yeah. So you have.
You have to train. Hindi pwede yung from nothing, then bigla kang tatakbo ng 10K. Or,
You can, kaya na nimo pero sakit kaya na sila. Sige, tag panghapla sa natong mega.
makahurot jud kag 1 box.
Yes. But really, at the end of the day, it's about discipline. Because
Oh,
as they say, the only limits in life are those that we put on ourselves.
Mao gyud.
Yeah. But because speaking of fitness, though, how has fitness and having an active lifestyle benefited the way you communicate with each other as a couple?
Di gid siya maminaw na ko sa mga gym ha.
Uy!
Maminaw gamay pero she believes someone else.
Dili, oy, maminaw ko, oy.
Isa na lang.
Ay, grabe siya. I listen ba yan? That's what I do now. Your program. Maminaw ko, eh.
Lagi.
Oo.
But is that how the fitness or active lifestyle benefited both of you? You have to listen. Or mapugos o paminaw. Okay.
No man God, kasi ako din mo coach God.
Ah,
So,
okay.
Ito siya kasi minsan yan, nag-aala Dr. Wong na sa tanang sa tambal, na ako'y sakit, ana jud abad.
Oh, ma'am.
Kaniman, ana. Yeah. Sabi ko, yan, doktor ka! Oh, feeling ko nga siya si Dr. Wong. If naimangutanan ako, ay may magtatanong sa akin, kay no sugar ako ngayon. Sabi nila, grabe ko, kaya mo sa ko. Oh, sino, bakit? Sabi ko, ay, doktor na ako. Dr. Wong. Siya lahat.
Pero tanawan, naiwang ka or kuan.
Very sexy, very blooming.
Yeah, so siya sa lahat. If may ganito yan abad kasi dahil yan sa ganito, kaya ka ganyan, ganito. Kala mo doktor.
Oh, sakto dili.
Ang iba hindi kaya. Ang iba hindi kaya. So anyway, but yeah, I listen to him sa gym. Nakikinig naman ako. Minsan lang may mga tanong lang ako na, kasi meron akong desk bulge. So yeah, I'm very careful with that. So, nakikinig ako, oy.
Gaya po na niya gipa-check up niya.
Nawala naman sa swim. Sinabi niya noon na pag-swim. So, nag-swim ako noon every day. So, nawala yung sakit.
Wow.
Nakikinig ako, eh.
As I see it, it's like the cure to arguments is fitness. Like the way I see it.
Ibuhos na lang
Yeah.
sa workout ang lagot mo.
But interestingly, though, what values do you hope to impart to your kids watching you live a healthy lifestyle like this?
Make sure you, ikaw. Sige ako.
Sige, go.
Siyempre, fitness, active lifestyle, it could be a phase in a person's life, being active. Yeah, makatilaw, naglambe nga lain, kuan, mawa. So, ang akong mabilin gid na or ma-advise gid sa mga tao, make it a lifestyle. Make it a lifestyle. So, if it's a lifestyle, you enjoy it, you look forward to doing it, you want to do it, and you have fun doing it. So, it's a lifestyle. Dili siya fad. Dili siya
Dili siya just because you wanted to lose weight. So, you'll do this, yung mga nagka-crash diet. And then, after, balik na ulit, then, tataba na ulit. So, yeah, katulad nung sinabi niya, make it a lifestyle. Yung, may enjoy mo yung matagalan
Yeah.
na
pangmatagalan.
na program. Hindi yung, gusto ko pumayat kasi may wedding or gusto ko pumayat kasi may magsa-summer na. So, crash diet, no rice, no ganito. And then, after ng summer, kain na ulit.
Yeah.
So,
Pero karon, like right now, I'm not doing a lot of cardio. So, I'm lifting weights. So, nagpa-bulk ko karon. So, right now, I can't wait nga mahuman. I don't like lifting weights. So, I can't wait nga mahuman ng shoot na mo because it feels like work.
Yeah.
Quote unquote from a good friend of mine, si Janrick Jumbo Klim ako. Yun siya nga, this feels like work. So, di na siya enjoying, maka-enjoy ba? So, if you enjoy it and if it's your lifestyle na gid siya, di na siya boring, di na siya kapoy. Just like your work, di ba? If you enjoy it, na siya, lingaw, gika na siya.
yes.
That's why kanang mga athletes, lingaw, gika na sila sa tanan. So, because they love what they're doing, di ba? So, Just like other ka ng mga workaholics ng mga businessman, di ba? Sige lang trabaho, sige trabaho, sige trabaho.
Like your dad.
Oh, na.
I love that. It's a refreshing perspective because after all, it's a lifestyle. It's something you have to be consistent about and not just for clout or something to post on TikTok,
Diba?
which is very
Oo.
popular these days. But of course, you guys, please help us invite everyone to join the IPI Run
Mana?
2025.
Ba't na siguro?
Yes, according to,
Ah.
oh yeah, but how would you invite everyone and entice everyone to actually join the run? What's something memorable about it that everyone should actually join it?
Ano? Sige, tama ba yun? Sa may memorable ni mo sa kuan, na API kuan.
Uy, in fairness, yung last was memorable. Ang daming tao.
Wow.
Ang daming tao. As
No,
early-
karon-
what time gani na? Early to, di ba?
Same mga po, 4:30 mga inana.
Oh.
Actually, karon ang route sa IPI Run is so much better
Where
now.
do you know?
Now it's if I'm not mistaken sa
Seaside.
seaside na siya. Then you go down to Reclamation ba? Sakto? Reclamation no? Seaside niya. Down Padong Mandawi. Oh, Rockwell niya.
Wow.
Yeah. Anak.
Ha? Mabot IPI Rockwell?
21K. Ikaw ba? Ikaw kay?
From Seaside?
21K.
Ano ba? Naka-far?
21 kilometers ka ni. Because ang house to AS Fortuna is only what 3 kilometers na siya ha?
Grabe no.
Doon ra kay na.
Last
Traffic.
year's asa di ay
No, Mandani to going inside Mandani.
dami nga
Oo.
pala. Ang naalala ko kasi yung breakfast after ng run.
So that's something to look forward to, the food after.
Oh.
And of course, making friends and inviting.
Yes, yes. Plus, any fun run is fun because maraming tao, you don't get bored running because may mga kasama ka, may makikita kang naka-costume pa, may nakikita kang bata na umiiyak, nawawala. Where's my mommy? Oh, iba-ibang ano. So, it's fun. Yung agawan sa tubig,
Yeah.
uhaw na uhaw lahat.
Also for me, ang what's different about the IPI Fun Run is after the run, syempre,
May libreng haplas.
basic man siya nga, there's an awarding, there's loot bag, there's everything. Ang sa IPI nga Fun Run mong good is there's so many other things you can do after.
Oh, yeah.
It's a wellness thing.
Boxing that they can
That's
try.
right,
Yes.
Lingaw kay tustanan.
May
So
program.
it's not where you just after getting your loot bag you go home.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, hopefully karon mapuna na to ang mga prizes na to, na mga raffles, inana mo ta ni Sir John eh. Tawag na Sir John. Sino na to karon?
Yeah.
Oh, sa mga bakit?
But
Oh.
it's very wonderful. There's so much to look forward to. And of course, Paul, Jake, and Kay, thank you so much for sharing your
Thank
experience.
you.
I learned so much. I'm sure a lot of people would like to join the run. Guys, please don't forget the IPI Run 2025 is happening on May 25, 2025 at the SM Seaside City, Cebu. Please do not forget that registration ends on May 1, 2025. Guys, this has been such a wonderful feat. Of course, please do not forget to follow our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. This has been your host, Mara. Until our next Bida Talks. Bye.
Bye, Bida Talks.
Ida.